Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you a quick overview of this bulk by Transparent Labs. This is their elite pre-training formula and a little mixability and taste test. So happens to be the cherry kiwi, and this is the second day of using this fine pre-workout. But just to kind of show you from a mixability standpoint, very fine. Usually going to put this in some form of shaker or whatever, but mixes pretty good. This particular flavor is not overpowering. I mean, the kiwi gives it a little more of a tart flavor, and it definitely has that cherry flavor in it. But feedback from yesterday, using this for the first time, is if you're looking for something that has not like a crazy jolt of energy, because this is based on green tea caffeine. So the green tea caffeine in this is 275 milligrams, but it also has, dicaffeine malate. So one scoop's gonna get you 275 plus 75 milligrams, pretty high in the old stem. It does have a lot of vitamins in it, and then it has a good dose, 8,000 milligrams of citrulline malate, beta-alanine 4,000, beta-anhydrose 2,500, taurine 1,300, L-tyrosine 1,000. It just has a lot of amino acids. So from a stem standpoint, definitely on the high end, but it's not like regular caffeine anhydrous because it's coming from green tea. So it's totally subjective, but the tolerance effect is not really kicking in that you normally get from a supplement that has just caffeine and hydrous. Definitely tastes good, makes it good, and lasts. That was another thing. Like, it was like 6 hours later, I was like still going pretty strong with this, as far as kind of keeping you going mentally and just wide awake. Almost forgot to mention that. So definitely, like, you're good to go, like, if you take this 15 minutes before workout, but then you're pretty much not wired, but you're like locked in as far as like focus, good to go, and you don't have, I didn't experience any of the quote unquote crash. Again, totally subjective, but want to give you some honest feedback about the supplement. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon.